Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your document and selecting the text you want to change. This avoids accidental global edits. Once done, look at the toolbar at the top and find the font size box, usually a number like 11 or 12. Click that number to reveal a menu of common sizes, or type a custom value if needed. This first step matters because selecting text defines scope, and using the toolbar ensures consistent formatting across headings and body text. Now change the size. Choose a preset from the drop-down or type a precise number, for example 14, if you need a specific look. Make sure to use the increase and decrease buttons for incremental adjustments. They let you nudge by one or smaller steps depending on the editor. If you want uniformity, apply the size through paragraph styles or the style menu so headings and body text stay consistent. This helps later when exporting or sharing the file. Finish by saving your document and scanning the layout. Check Print View and Mobile View to confirm readability. If spacing or line breaks shift, make sure the style settings didn't override your size change. Reapply the font size to the style or clear formatting and set it again. One key troubleshooting tip. If sizes look inconsistent, select the problematic text and click the normal or body style. Then reapply the size. This restores uniform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.